All right. Hello. Today we're gonna be doing a quick demo of our web app. So a bit of a brief description about our web app. We chose to look at something that hasn't been really delved into, which is like creating a. So the story is that a lot of people have been diagnosed with.
Man,
So when you first boot up our web app, you agree with this with a nice slogan. And if you click this button right here, get started, it asks you to log in. So if we click here, you're greeted with a login page. So if we were to say a random email, for example, like I haven't used this email yet, so let's see how it will fare with this. Invalid email or password, right? So yeah, there's some nice error handling as well going on in the background. So let's create a new account here, Rafa Rinaldi. Since I already have that created, let's use another email, my Venus email, and then create a random password. So there's also some error handling as well that catches if the email is valid, like if it uses an @ if it uses .com or a domain, so on and so forth. But for the sake of keeping this video concise, I won't demonstrate it. If you click sign up, there's also a nice error handler here. It asks me to upload my picture. So if I were to upload, let's say, oops, not this. This picture right here. Click sign up, and then yeah, it takes me right to the main menu where you can see. This is my other account. Sorry, it might be a bit confusing, but yeah, this is my re.ly.d20 account, and it can see the status of the members, online, offline, and so forth. There's specific rooms. So far, we only have 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, and obviously we can add more. But yeah, this is how it works. So if I were to go into bipolar and say, "Hey, how's everyone doing?" It will show me on the left side the date, the time I sent it, which is accurate so far. And if we take a look at Rohan's screen, and it shows
yeah,
as well, right? Yeah. Hey, how's everyone doing? Type in, I'm good. And if I
yes,
look back, it doesn't update, unfortunately. But yeah, in real time. Rohan replies back. Yeah, and so it essentially, this is what we were looking for to solve, right? We wanted so that users can essentially talk about their mental health issues with one another, and then some other extra features. We did all of this
DM.
um, using MongoDB. So if you want to talk about
Oh,
how all this works.
also we also like we're able to DM
All
direct
right,
message.
I can DM with
Yep.
Rohan.
Yeah, you can also send direct messages. So we implement both a there one-to-one connection and also a group connection, which
Sorry for the cut. But here's what our database looks like. Essentially, it has a bunch of queries, like Rohan mentioned. This is how he implemented it. And that's why it's not in real time, because it takes a while for these database um, to display these messages, right? But essentially, it acts like a form-based sort of chatting service. Uh, it shows which text channel or what it's getting sent to, which is general, bipolar, so on and so forth. And then the message itself is under content, which is also a string. Yeah. And then if we were to move along, there's two more features that we added.
yeah.
Edit profile
Uh,
and verify. So if I were to edit my profile testing 1, 2, 3, click update, Unfortunately, it doesn't update here. But if I were to go back to the chat, it updates right here. Raphael testing 1, 2, 3. And I can also verify my image. Unfortunately, this is for the NoFlux implementation.
Notebooks.
But we weren't able to do it. So yeah,
Alright.
I think that's pretty much a basic overview of our web app. Thank you for watching.